Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to come and show you my finished gnomes. I made 8 of them and 4 I used different fur. Some fur is from Hobby Lobby and the other fur is from Joann's. So I'm going to show you one by one. I think they look really cute. So, you know what, let me slide them over a little bit. And if you guys want to learn how to make this, I will link the video. I made a video before this one showing you how to make them. And they're super easy. Okay, so this one here is using the Hobby Lobby fur. No, this is Joann. And it's more like fur-like. And then all the socks, everything else is from Dollar Tree. I added a little pom-pom here. So that's this one. Let me take this one here, slide him there. Then we have this one here, Joann's fur. This one I added twine and buttons. And this one I added 2 busy socks. Then we have this one. This one here is the Hobby Lobby fur. You see the difference? Like, you see? One is more, like this one's more like hairy, poofy. And again, everything else is from Dollar Tree. So cute. Put him there. Then I made this one. It's super cute. I added just buttons for him. And then I made this one. These things are pretty heavy too. So I made him. And then this one I like did a little dangled pom-pom. Added little flowers there. His little fur. Isn't it cute? Like, I'm obsessed with making these now. And then this one. Got all these little strands of hair. You can fluff up his beard. Did that. This one I did the little dangle pom-pom. So cute. Okay, put that one there. Then I made this one. This one I just added a big bow. You see the difference with the fur? What do you think? What fur do you like more? A real fluffy one? Like, I like the fluffy one. Then this one, and this one I did the hat on this side. Super cute. But yeah, this is my little gnome family. Let me take my phone out so you guys can see. I'm gonna do like a little, hold on. So it starts from there. So cute. And they're so easy to make. Again, they make great gifts. So, excuse me, I'm going to link the video tutorial so you guys can pass by and make some. Make some for Christmas. Super cute. So go get your fluffy socks and make your little gnome family. Okay, guys, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.